What's going on, AM crew? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing some wheels. Alright guys, let's dive right in and start unboxing these wheels. Now we've actually had these for about a week and a bit. If you follow us on Instagram, we posted a picture on there, but it's just been crazy with the holidays that we haven't actually had a chance to open these up. So we're going to take the time now and take a look. So let's see what these wheels are and what they look like, and let's see if you guys guessed correctly to what I got. Now I do want to mention, when you do get wheels like this, you want to check the boxes too to see if there's any damage. This corner here is pushed in, but depending on how the wheels are packaged, everything should be alright. This brings me to my next point too. When we're opening up the wheels, you don't want to just open up one. You want to open up all of them, because if you have damage on a wheel, you're definitely going to want to take care of it as soon as possible. And it being the winter right now where we are, these wheels aren't going to be put on the car for quite some time. So it's good to inspect all the wheels, and that way you can get everything taken care of if the need be before you got to get the wheels on the car. Alright. I think this is the top. Now you want to be careful too. I don't know how these are packaged, like I said, but you don't want to cut into the wheel or whatever. Should be quite a bit of packaging on these, so but still be cautious. Oh, this is exciting. I've actually never seen any of their wheels in person before, 1552, so it's going to be nice. You could say very thick cardboard. A lot of packaging, pretty much like a box inside of a box. This is pretty thick. It's not a review, but oh yeah. So they are, like I said, packaged very well. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? These look so sick. Got the nice center cap in there. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Set this down. Give it a quick peek. So they have this plastic that goes over the wheel. I'm not going to take that off right now. But my gosh, they look nice. They look really nice. These are the wheels here. So we went up. I went with the what are they? The Formula TRs, 16 by 8, 0 offset, and they are in the Speed Silver color. Man, they look nice. So another thing you want to make sure is that these are actually the desired size that you ordered. So they should be stamped into the wheel itself on the back where the spokes are. So as you can see here, it is 16 by 8. Says your offset over here is a 0. All the information you need to confirm should be on the back of the wheel. They look really nice. Curious to see how these are going to look. I've never seen these wheels on the Datsun before. And I want to say I went with silver because the Datsun has a lot of chrome and silver trim on it around the doors, along the sides of the cars, the door handles. So it does have a lot of chrome accenting. So I figured the silver will kind of mesh very well with that. And it should kind of, you know, give it almost that like two-tone with silver and black. I'm gonna quickly, like I said, go through the other boxes and make sure that they're all in good shape.
Another thing to look for is your hub centering rings if you're going to need them. That will come included in one of the boxes. Here's an example of why I say look through everything, because this rim has slight damage on the inside, which isn't a really big deal, but I just want to show you guys anyway what I'm talking about. So, where is it? Right up in that corner there, you guys can probably see. So, there's a slight little bit of rash there. I don't know what that's from, if it was, looks like it was scraped on something. Now, if this was on the outside of the front face of the wheel, I probably would say, yeah, I'm gonna go and deal with it and send it back. But because it's on the inside, I don't think I'm gonna do anything, but we'll see. Time is on my side because the wheels aren't going on the car for a while, so. But that's why I always say go through all of them and then go from there. But slight damage on the one, not too crazy of a deal because it'll never be seen from the outside of the car. The other thing though to think about is if you go to balance this wheel and the balance is off, or it seems to be a lot more weight that it needs compared to the other ones, there's a chance it could have been dropped or smashed on that side, causing a little bit of a balance issue. Now that would bother me, because I mean, ultimately you're spending money on wheels that should be perfectly round. So I definitely gonna take that into consideration. I might even just take the wheel itself to the shop and get it balanced, just to see what the balance comes out on. But I don't think I'm gonna go too crazy and worry about it unless there is that balance issue. Let's go through, unbox, or look at the other ones, and then I'm gonna put them up against the Datsun so we can see roughly how these wheels are gonna look on the car. I wanna mention these wheels do look like they have some sort of coating on them. This one especially, but it does seem to just be rubbing off like it's a wax or a sealant of some sort. So that's not too bad, but this wheel has quite a bit of it. No chips or damage that I can see. The only thing is, I kind of want to go through and get a cloth, wipe everything off, just in case it's hiding any imperfections or damage. So I'm gonna take some time with this wheel because this one has quite a bit of it for some odd reason. Alright guys, the wheels are unboxed, and Now we can set them aside for a later date when they're going to be mounted. Other than that one wheel having a little bit of scrape on the back of it, all the other ones look good, and you won't really see that once it is mounted on the car. As long as it doesn't give me any issues balancing, as I mentioned earlier, I am not too concerned at all. That's it for this video, guys. These wheels, even though we unboxed them and there's a video right now, doesn't mean they're going to be on the car, like I said, for a while. But in the next Datsun video, we are going to see if we can fix the rich issue that the Datsun is having. Always running rich and not really running 100%. I have a feeling it has something to do with the mass airflow sensor, or meter. So we have another mass airflow meter, and we are going to swap that out and see if we can make the Datsun run a little bit better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Stay classy, crew.